Good afternoon, team. As a part of this task, we will be finalizing some of the research proposals that we have prepared. We include introduction section and conclusion section in the research methods document. These are some of the important points that we are supposed to write as a part of completing introduction and conclusion of the allocated research methods topic to you. Okay, so among the documents that I shared you, some of you might have got documents like this where it contains a research methodology section separately and a literature review section separately, and finally remaining sections that we need to complete. Okay, so this section contains what are like the contribution that we are going to make today. So what we need to do is we are supposed to include 3.1 literature review. Let's make introduction, then literature review part, then research methods part, and conclusion part. Your document, you make a single document of all these sections, and your document contains introduction, literature review, research methods, and conclusion, then references. Okay, so what I wanted to do is when a few people got documents like this, create a new document, copy paste all the information into it, and add introduction at starting of the document and conclusion at ending of the document. Okay, there is that some of you might have got documents like this where research method section is completely included in the document. It contains research, it is a single document that contains both 3.1 as literature review and 3.2 as research methodology. Okay, so what I want you to do for this section is you just download this one, add a section before this literature review called introduction, and after research methods include a section called conclusion. These two things should be done. Then as a part of our writing introduction, so there is a possibility, like one more thing I would like to add, there is a possibility that some of you might get a document on which you never worked. Okay, so like there are one or two cases, I guess only one case, I guess, they got a document on which they didn't work. So what they need to do is they are supposed to read title is given in your subject like this. Okay, so this is your main heading, main topic, and this is the process we are following. So you read literature review part and try to understand how research method is planned. Okay, so because by reading these two sections, you can understand how this introduction section can be fixed. So introduction section is very simple. So you are supposed to give general brief of the topic. Then I want you to add few important points about your specific research topic. Then we speak about the main aim and some objectives of your research. Then we speak about how we plan your research. It means that you are supposed to explain what are the research methods that you have selected. So maybe planning as a part of this research. As a part of this research, we are supposed to use some kind of survey method, or it will be mentioned in the research method section of the given document. So you can see that I have given you a document here. In this document, there is a section called research methods. If you read that section, you can understand what kind of methods they are using. Okay, so just this, up to this area, it speaks about what type of research they are using. Then after writing this, and you are supposed to speak what are the benefits when you conduct this research, what kind of benefits we are going to get. Okay, the person, like the target clients or the area about which we are conducting research, they might get benefit. Okay, so this is all about introduction section. This is all about introduction section. Then again, then at the ending of the document, we write conclusion section, which speaks about again general introduction to the project, then purpose of the project. This should be written in past tense. And you write some of the important points that you learned from the literature review about your research problem. Okay, if you see this, like in this project, a strategy to resolve data inconsistency issues. When we do some kind of literature review, you might have come across some kind of strategies to overcome data inconsistency issues. That point should be mentioned. If your topic is maybe pursued location sharing, you should speak about how they are handling security issues. If you are writing about cleaning data, you should speak about what kind of strategies you identified as a part of literature review to clean data which is in raw form in that way. Okay, so that point should be included. And does this research benefit any organization, any person or something like that. So you are supposed to speak about how your research is going to contribute to the society. Simple. So this section should be written and the size is 600 words. That's it for the day. Right. So if you got any questions, you just ping me. I guess I hope everything is explained and everything is clear. All right. So as a part of completing your document, if you find any mistakes in literature review part or research method parts, try to review them, grammar mistakes and other things. Like if technical issues, I will be cross-checking. If please try to read after completing 600 words writing, please try to read complete document, fix if any grammar issues are there. Okay, try to improve the quality of the document. That's it. Thank you guys. Thank you very much.